guys, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. How you going? Probably thinking, fool. It's all good. What I'm doing is my water stop. You always have a water stop. I always harp on about a water stop. This is it. My tile is a 10mm porcelain tile. And this aluminium is, what is it? 6mm? 6mm aluminium. Aluminium! So then you plonk it down like that. I need a stick or a wedge will do, just to push it into place. Now if any water, I've got enough slope on that so it's not going to, but if it did, any water reach or come this far, it will not go any further because that water stop. It's lower than my tile, so it's a grout line. It's not seen. Polyurethane or silicone or whatever is cheap when it comes to stopping water coming out of your bathroom. DIYs, it's cheap. Just pressing that down into the silicone. Beautiful. Just smooth that off a little. Lovely, lovely chubbly. I had one guy make a comment, can you speak in English? Sorry everyone, the Aussie slang is a little bit horrendous. But hey, it's all good. I hope everyone understands when I say, oh, g'day mate. Yeah. Now the Aussie slang is a little bit horrendous, people, sorry about that. throw that wedge away. Don't forget your ends. Check that, yeah, that's good. My end there, that's good. What I'm going to do is lay that tile first and then do my cuts and then work my way back. Once I've got this shower done, the rest is easy peasy. So I'll just mix up some glue. You've all seen me mix up glue before, so I don't have to bore you with those sort of details. Go back into my previous videos if you haven't seen me mix glue or mix my mud with a mixing drill. We'll bypass that and we'll move on to the real stuff. I'll be back soon. I'll just set myself up. Ciao.